Alright folks, today I'm going to walk you through how to create and stick to a budget like a pro. Whether you're saving up for something big, like a car or a trip around the world, or just trying to get your finances in order, budgeting is key. So let's dive right in. First off, grab a pen and paper, or open up your favorite spreadsheet app. Step 1. List all your sources of income. This could be your paycheck, freelance gigs, side hustles, whatever. Write it all down. Next up, step 2. Track your expenses. And I mean everything. Your rent, groceries, utility bills, subscriptions, and yes, even that daily coffee. Break them into categories like fixed expenses and variable expenses. Fixed expenses stay the same every month, while variable ones can change. Now, step 3. Set your financial goals. This is where it gets exciting. What are you saving for? An emergency fund? A new laptop? Or maybe just to pay off debt? Write down your short-term and long-term goals. All right, moving on to step 4. Make your budget. Subtract your total monthly expenses from your total monthly income. Ideally, you want a positive number here. If it's negative, no worries. It just means we need to adjust. Look at your variable expenses and see where you can cut back. Step 5. Implement the 50-30-20 rule. This is a popular budgeting method where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. Adjust these percentages based on your lifestyle, but try to stick as close to this as you can. Now that your budget is set, it's time for step 6. Monitor and adjust. Check in with your budget at least once a week. Compare your actual spending with what you planned. If you went over in one category, try to cut back in another. Finally, step 7. Monthly check-ins. At the end of each month, review your budget. Did you meet your financial goals? If not, think about what went wrong and how you can fix it next month. Maybe you need to adjust your categories or set more realistic goals. This is your chance to fine-tune and make sure you're on track. And there you have it. A simple, step-by-step guide to creating and sticking to a budget like a pro. Remember, budgeting is all about balance and consistency. Stick with it, and in no time, you'll see your financial health improving. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best adult life. See you next time.